In the summer of 1997, underwater microphones in the Pacific Ocean picked up something enormous. A sound from nowhere. It lasted about 1 minute. It rose slowly, like a moan, and it was recorded by sensors over 3,000 miles apart. Think about that. One single sound, crossing an entire ocean, loud enough to be heard 5,000 kilometers away. Scientists gave it a nickname, the Bloop, and for years it was the loudest unexplained sound ever recorded on planet Earth. The microphones belonged to America's Ocean Agency, a network of hydrophones originally built to listen for enemy submarines during the Cold War. No computers, just giant rolls of paper recording every tremble, earthquakes, storms, even passing trucks. Quakes rumble, volcanoes boom, whales sing. Scientists learned every voice in the ocean. The Bloop matched nothing in the catalogue. It was organic in shape, like a living call, only far, far too powerful. A blue whale is the loudest animal we know. The Bloop was louder, much louder. If an animal made it, that animal would be bigger than anything that has ever lived. The internet did what the internet does. Sea monsters, ancient leviathans, something sleeping in the deep, finally rolling over. And the sound came from the remote South Pacific. Cold, empty, almost never visited by ships. Horror fans noticed something chilling. The spot sat close to where fiction once placed a sleeping monster. Science stayed calm. They triangulated the source, studied the frequencies, and compared the Bloop to every known sound in the ocean. One candidate kept coming up. Not an animal at all. Ice. The frozen continent at the bottom of the world. Antarctica is not silent. Its ice shelves crack, split, and carve icebergs the size of cities. Each break releases enormous energy. Scientists call them ice quakes. And when researchers finally recorded icebergs breaking up close, the waveforms looked strikingly familiar. Same shape, same rising sweep, same character as the Bloop, just recorded from much, much closer. Year after year, the evidence piled up. Thousands of ice sounds recorded between Antarctica and South America, matching the mysterious call. So the verdict came in. The Bloop was ice, a colossal frozen slab cracking apart at the edge of Antarctica. The loudest scream in the ocean wasn't a monster. It was a continent of ice, falling apart. Case closed? Mostly. But here's what most videos won't tell you. The Bloop had siblings, and not all of them have answers. A sound called Julia, like a slow underwater sigh, a rhythmic pulse nicknamed the train, both eventually linked to ice as well. But then there's Upsweep, a chain of rising tones first heard in 1991. It is still going right now. Upsweep grows louder in spring and autumn, fades in between, and comes from a region of underwater volcanoes no one has fully explored. 30 years of recordings. No confirmed source. The best guess is seawater meeting lava, but nobody has proven it. And that's the real story of the deep ocean. We have mapped more of the surface of Mars than our own seafloor. More than 80% of the ocean has never been seen by human eyes. Every hydrophone is a stethoscope on an unknown world. So the next time someone tells you Earth has no mysteries left, remember the sounds. The ocean is still talking. Was ice really the whole answer? Or is the deep still hiding a voice? Tell me below.